Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Olson. I upload videos every Monday and Wednesday. And in today's video, we're going to be doing another Grove collaborative haul or unboxing video. So I actually got this order a couple days ago and I had unboxed everything already and kind of decluttered the box, but I kept all the products set aside so I could walk you guys through them. And I know I mentioned in my last unboxing video that if you sign up with my link, it's just hayleolson.com/grove. If you sign up with that, you will get a 5-piece gift set, I suppose, of cleaning products that are full size, and you'll get them completely for free. So I went ahead and grabbed the items that I got for free in my very first order so I could share those with you guys. So let's go through those real quick just so you guys kind of get a gist of what you can get if you sign up with my link. You'll get these free items. So you're gonna get 3 full-size items from Miss Meyer's. You'll get the multi-surface everyday cleaner. You will get a hand soap, and then you'll also get their dish soap as well. And you get to pick the scent. I went ahead and got lemon verbena. I have no idea if that's how you say it, but I got the lemon scent just because I feel like cleaning should be like a citrusy scent. That's just me. But you will get these 3 items from Miss Meyer's, and then also you'll get a 2-pack of these sponges. I absolutely love these sponges. I believe they're called like a walnut scrubber or something. I believe the scrubby part's made out of walnut. Not entirely sure what the sponge is made out of, I don't remember. But you'll get a 2-pack of these for free. And then you will also get their dish cleaner, I believe. This is for like cleaning dishes in the sink. But you will get this for free. It's got a wooden handle, and then the brush part of it is replaceable, so you can replace the brush head, which I think is amazing because we're constantly having to buy full new brushes, which just kind of seems wasteful. And then I also mentioned in the last video that little things will randomly pop up on the website and you can claim them for free. And one of the things that popped up on my very first order was this glass cleaning bottle along with this cleaning concentrate. And this concentrate is for cleaning glass surfaces like your windows, stainless steel, things like that. So I got this. It is a Grove product. It's just a glass cleaning bottle, and you get the concentrate to go in it. So what you do is you just put the concentrate in the bottle and then you fill the rest of it up with water. I haven't used mine yet, but I am really excited to use the glass cleaning bottle, whether it is for the concentrate or if I put something else in it like vinegar and water. That's also a great cleaning agent, I suppose. But chances are this will also pop up when you place your first order, and you'll be able to get this as well. So those are the free items that you will be getting when you sign up through my link. Again, it's just hayleolson.com/grove. I'll make sure to pop it up on the screen for you guys. But I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through that so you got a better understanding of what you can get if you sign up with my link. Now, let's get into what I ordered this past month. And I think the first thing I want to talk about is the Zarbee's Naturals Immune Support and Multivitamin Drink Mix, because I went ahead and ordered a second box. This was in my last haul as well. The taste of this is awesome. It's just got a really nice berry flavor to it, and I haven't felt sick at all the past month, which is awesome because it's kind of getting into the fall season, and oftentimes when seasons are changing I get a cold or my throat gets a little scratchy, but nothing has happened yet. And I just like the added comfort of knowing I'm getting some extra vitamins that I might not be getting in my diet. I have probably had 1 or 2 satchels a week at most. I haven't finished the box that I got previously. I'm almost finished with it though, so that's why I wanted to get another one. But I like it. I don't know. I haven't seen like a big difference, but I just like having that little extra comfort of knowing that I'm getting those vitamins. So I thought I would get another box. Again, next thing is the Little Moon Essentials Sleep Comes Easy Mist. So this is just a mist with a ton of essential oils in it. Let me go ahead and read it for you guys. It's got distilled water, lavender, frankincense, lemon, Palmrosa Venivir, I could be pronouncing that incorrectly, and coriander oil. Oh, and bergamot. I skipped that one on accident. So those are the oils in here. You just shake the bottle up and spray it around your room or on your pillow or wherever, and it just kind of helps calm you down before going to bed. I haven't seen a noticeable difference with my sleep, but I absolutely love the scent of it, so it's kind of nice just to spray around right before going to bed. Plus, just having something that you consistently do every night before you go to bed kind of gets your body into the habit of falling asleep, and it helps it recognize when it should fall asleep. So I think this is just kind of something nice to have around the apartment. Next up, I purchased some replacement heads for the dish brush that I was talking about. Ours is kind of getting frayed here at the top, and we've had it probably for 3 months now, so I think it's time to replace the brush head. If it wasn't fraying, you can actually throw it in the dishwasher and clean it that way, but because it's kind of getting a little banged up and not looking very nice, I decided to get some replacement heads. So you can purchase these on the Grove website. They come in a pack of 2, so you can get 2 at a time, but it's just nice that you can replace the head without having to buy the entire brush again. With that being said, we actually have one of these currently. We didn't get it from Grove, but I was so happy to find it on their website. It is by Full Circle, and it is their veggie brush, and it's called the Ring. So it's just a wooden little ring, and then it's got some bristles here on the side, and it's just for cleaning vegetables. We use it for like potatoes and carrots and things like that whenever we're washing veggies. So ours got really worn down and was not looking too good, and honestly was not getting the job done, so I decided to pick up another one for us. Another thing from Full Circle is I picked up this detail brush, and they have named it Micro Manager. It's a 2-in-1 brush. It's got a little detailed nibbed little thing down here, and then it also has a tough bristle head to get in those little grooves, whether it's around your counter or in between tile, just little places that are hard to reach and can kind of get gunky. This will be perfect for that. I'm almost out of cotton balls, so I picked up a bag of their organic cotton balls. It is the Grove brand. There's 100 cotton balls in here, but I mostly just use this for if I'm removing fingernail polish. So those will probably last me a couple years in all honesty, because I don't paint my nails that often. But when I do and I need to take my nail polish off, this is what I use. And if there's anything that we need cotton balls for, then we've got this. Now the last thing I want to share with you guys is another freebie that I got. So little things pop up on their website, but then also if you spend a certain amount of money, you can unlock things as well. And with this past order, I was able to unlock their lavender and oatmeal bar soap. So it's just a bar of soap, and I believe I picked the lavender scent. So there's a ton of different scents you can pick from. But I'm excited just to try this out, see how it is, and if I want to buy it again. So that is everything that I got with my Grove order this month. Like I've said in the past, you don't have to purchase something every single month, but there's always little things that pop up that you need, say a new veggie brush, or if you're running out of cotton balls. They have a wide variety of items. I know they just added stuff for pets, as well as some additional essential oils. They just have a very wide variety. So if you guys are interested in anything like this, like I said, make sure to sign up with my link so you get the free products, but then also feel free to browse around their website to see what else they have. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. I do want to pipe in here real quick. I'm wanting to film a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions that are about anything at all, they could be about me, they could be about Grove, they could be about organizing, fitness, health, meals, anything like that, I would love to answer your guys' questions and film a Q&A video. So if you have questions, comment down below, tweet at me, or send me a comment or a message on Instagram. I'll make sure to pop my handle here on the screen. It's just at Hayle Olson. But if you guys have questions for me, let me know so I can film a Q&A. But other than that, I will see you guys in Wednesday's video. Bye. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just
feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.